Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable dark mode in Gmail on PC. So let's get started. First open Chrome browser on your PC. Now go to gmail.com. Now log in with your email ID and password to log in to Gmail. Once you logged in, just click on this gear icon which is for settings. Now click on See All Settings option. Now at the top you will find various tabs. Just click on last tab that says Themes. Now click on Set Theme button. A pop-up will open wherein we can pick our theme for our Gmail account. Now here we'll find various themes option available which are actually pictures, but we don't want that. So scroll down and at the bottom you will find the default option for Gmail and other option like blue, black, sky blue, yellow, etc. So we are going to choose the theme as dark. So we are going to select the color as black. Just select the black color and then click on save button. So now as you can see, the dark mode is enabled in Gmail. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.